EGT-EA series of gas engine muffler clamp exhaust gas temperature probes from the Sensor Connection are race-proven, professional, high-temperature sensors that are designed to deliver accurate and reliable exhaust gas temperature measurements in applications that require mounting without a weld bung and compression fitting. These EGT probes feature a robust mineral-insulated metal sheath with enclosed measuring junction and a heavy-duty transition joint with spring strain relief. The probe has a 0.125-inch diameter and comes with an adjustable metal clamp mounting strap for installation. The EGT probe can be either straight or with a 90-degree bend to accommodate tight mounting locations. The stainless steel over-braided cable offers heavy-duty abrasion resistance, with FEP insulated signal wires for added protection. We also offer Kapton insulated wire or fiberglass insulated wire. The EGT-EA series is the go-to choice for professional racing teams, R&D test labs, and enthusiasts. These high-temperature sensors are ideal for a range of motorsports racing applications, including but not limited to karts, motorcycles, snowmobiles, experimental aircraft, and marine. The EGT-EA series of professional gas engine muffler clamp exhaust gas temperature sensors are in stock now and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now at thesensorconnection.com to speak to an experienced application engineer. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.